Hello everyone, it's Godwin, and today I'll be doing a quick review of one of my favorite device for the acoustic guitar. And you guys have seen some of my videos of me playing beautiful sounds and unplugged, and you hear some kind of effect. Yeah, so I'll come to that. So I use what we call the Tonewood Amp. So the Tonewood Amp attaches to the back of your guitar, allowing you to make some effect. And the beautiful part around it is unplugged. It means no amp required. And on that thing, since no amp required, it means you don't need electricity to power it. So it means you just need some batteries and straight to work. So how does it work? So just like we have the string exciting the top of the guitar to produce sounds, the Tonewood Amp excites the back of the guitar, producing sound wave of effects such as reverb, delay, tremolo, echo, and so on and so forth. And this effect interacts with the natural sound of your guitar. So that's what makes that sound so beautiful. So it's more like your natural organic sound from the guitar mixed with some spice to beautify the sound. So practice just became fun, guys. Well, that's not all. The Tonewood Amp is also a multi-effect processor, which means you can connect it to an amp. Yeah, even though it is unplugged, yeah, you could still play it through an amp. You could connect it to a PA system or even your iDevice interface, which will allow you to experiment more with the audio and also MIDI apps. So guys, if you love to enhance your practice, beautify the practice session, you also want to enhance your play also when it comes to live performances, go get one now. Tonewood Amp. Shop with us at Rainbow Finger Shop today.